machine. So say you're in like disinfecting mode, you're like, oh, let me put bleach in here. No, don't put bleach in there. It will ruin the
Oh,
inside of your
gotcha.
machine. Use the solution provided because it is a balance of chemical cleaning power so that it does not break down the components of the inside of the machine.
That's good. Next up here, we got the Bissell CrossWave, which is another
The big
throwback.
difference between the Bissell CrossWave and these other devices is that the CrossWave is a corded unit. So while you may see an increased power in the suction, you are not cord free. So it's really all about what you should choose. I will say also, this device, to me, it seemed like the floor was more wet after we used it. It didn't have a quick dry the way the Tinco or the Shark or the Dream Vac leave the floor. This left the floor a little more wet, so we needed more time in between to